Two Australian researchers found and confirmed time travel encounters documented in over 30 ancient texts from over 12 countries spanning the last 5,000 years. In his book, Ronald Pegg first takes you on a journey of finding the clues, then he puts the puzzle pieces together to reveal to what they refer. He also found that Nostradamus was visited, and in his report, he reveals that where angels were seen, they were referring to a human time traveller. An oracle or magic mirror was a computer. A magic wand or staff was a mouse and cable. Tablets, sealed books, or magic circles were compact discs. And the reported dreams and visions were descriptions of the images from those compact discs. Regarding the computer technology, Eddie Pengelly confirmed that a complete desktop computer system and these CD-ROMs from the 1990s were collected by a time traveller plus certain history books and taken back to the past to show certain selected people their contents and to have them place the same warning in their individual chronicles. Ancient myths, legends, the works of Nostradamus, and well-known religious texts document evidence of time travel encounters. Pegg's evidence of time travel is in the form of 8 findings with related resources. A modern Israeli event is described in the Bible. 2 of 10 people working on codes in the Bible are named in Malachi and Daniel. Contents of modern CD-ROMs are found documented and described in ancient texts, with certain imagery from modern CD-ROMs found and described in ancient myths. The end-time events as reported in the Bible have occurred and have been identified. Computer technology found described in ancient texts and Egyptian glyphs. A modern war has been described in the Bible. Persian Gulf War events are deliberately encoded in books of Judges and Kings. While our books present the proof and explain these 7 findings, our workshop reveals comprehensive evidence for 2 of these. These books introduce you to over 30 ancient legends and texts throughout history that report and describe time travel encounters. With these 3 books, presenting and confirming 12 case studies which describe certain pictures from the CD-ROMs and includes 5 accounts from the Bible. When you attend our Dreams and Visions workshop, you'll be comparing images from this CD-ROM to over 250 listed descriptions from 10 case studies. We are based in Surrey Downs, a northeastern suburb of Adelaide.